Okay, so Filecoin. This was one of the probably the hottest new trendy projects to launch. So let's look at this from a TA perspective, beginning with Bill. Let me know when you're ready. And disclosure, I do own Filecoin. Just want to put that out there.
Okay. So this is more than a little interesting, right? When I first put this up and I first started looking at this, I had to look at a 15-minute chart, right? And I was looking at this, sort of this 53 area. And you knew this was going to be a problem when it came back to what I thought was support. It then became resistance, and the sellers didn't even let it get back there. Okay. Now, this does have a feel of people giving up, but I haven't seen that like vicious, every candle is red for 3 hours yet. Right. In other words, if you look at an 89-minute chart or like a, hour and a half, maybe, don't get in the way of something that's being sold by people who are smarter than you. There'll be a time and a place if you want to own this. This just doesn't feel like that's it right now.
All right, I like it, nice and short. And then Cobb.
Wish I could short it.
Yeah, nice and simple.
I think FTX just brought out FTX.
Yes, yeah, they did.
Contract on it. So I might be able to short it well, I can short it now, but I need more data on it. But yeah, what Bill was saying, I second that. Don't try and catch a falling knife.
Yeah, and then to add on to that, this is textbook what happens with new cryptocurrencies when they launch, especially those that are overhyped, that even have great fundamentals and great technology. So as somebody who was an investor in the ICO, even I didn't go all in because I knew my perspective back then was they were raising way too much money at a super high valuation. So if anything, I got in just to say that, yes, the tech is good. And in case it ends up pumping, right? But I did not go in as I would have liked if their valuation was a lot more modest. And I think what happens with almost every project, every good project backed by all the top VCs when it launches, it basically has the pump for the first week or so because everyone is getting in, FOMO, Twitter, Telegram, all these newbie investors are just chasing these good projects, but not really understanding the fundamentals. And I think if you're a value investor looking to accumulate into a good position with a good project, you have to wait until all the FOMO has died down. And in crypto, that could take even up to 6 months, right? So we've kind of had the same stance on great projects launching, from Compound to Uniswap. They'll pump for a week or so because they're the nice, sexy, flashy new token. But after that, people are getting out, people are getting wrecked. Once it gets so boring, no one's talking about it, that's when a value investor will get in and accumulate over a long period of time, right? So if you like the project, be patient, wait it out, wait until nobody's talking about this project, and then accumulate. That's our take on that. Okay, tell us what you think. Are you in Filecoin? Are you waiting? Tell us what you think down in the comments below.